What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Klarna to Stripe. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Stripe and then you will see this first official link of Stripe. Click on this link and after clicking on this link, you will be welcome to this page of Stripe. Now, if you are new to Stripe, you will have the option of sign in on this right top. Just simply sign in with your email and password. But if you already have an account logged in to your Stripe, you will see the option of dashboard. Simply give it a click and then you will be welcome to the dashboard of Stripe. Now, after coming to the dashboard on the right side, you have the icon of settings on the top. Just click on the settings icon. After clicking under the product settings, you can see the option of payments. Click on this. And after coming to payments, just choose the option of payment methods. After choosing payment methods, you will see multiple options of the payment methods available on Stripe. So now after coming to the multiple option of payment methods, scroll down until you find Klarna. So as you can see, here is the Klarna and it is already been activated in my Stripe. But if it is showing turn on Klarna, just simply give it a click on turn on so it will activate your Klarna on your Stripe. So this is how you can add Klarna to Stripe. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.